In this video, we're learning how to buy, how to sell, how to swap your token in Metamask Chrome plugin. Remember, we've actually made video on how to download Metamask on your computer, how to explore the Metamask interface on your computer. If you have not watched any of those videos, go ahead to check the description box because the links to those videos have been dropped there. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done so. Also share and like this video. We'll be glad you did. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Hello crypto smart investors. So in this video, we'll be learning how to carry out transactions on our Metamask interface. So you notice that when you click the particular icon, you have what? View account details. You have expand view, view account on Etherscan. So clicking on view account details, you now have my wallet address. So you can go ahead to export private key. You can go ahead to view account details on Etherscan. You can also decide to change the name of that particular account to rename it to whatever you want it to be. So I can call it new wallet 1 or new wallet A or something. All right. So you are good to go. So once you finish, just hit the check icon and you are good to go. So this is all about your new wallet, Virgin wallet. You can check it on Etherscan and it brings up this interface for you. So remember, Etherscan for Ethereum blockchain, BSC scan for what? The Binance blockchain. So you'll notice that since it's a Virgin wallet, there's no transaction at all. We actually showed us how we could create this particular wallet in the last video. So go ahead to watch it if you have not done so now. So clicking on our Metamask app, it brings this to us. So the first thing we'll do is to show us how we can buy a particular token. Just like we saw while using the mobile app, you can actually buy token from third parties, or you can send token to your wallet. Is that making sense? All right. So you can send token to your wallet, or you can buy from third party. So we have this transact. Okay. So you can buy with ETH, and you can do a whole lot of things. So you can directly deposit ETH to your wallet. Is that okay? So when you are buying, you are definitely sending your wallet address or your public address to whoever will be sending you the token. All right. So you can view account. So remember, this is a wallet that we just renamed, and you can just get the details and send to the third party. Okay, so you can decide to send crypto to other users, and to ask you request for the account details. So your wallet address of the person that you want to send to, and the amount of asset that you want to send to. So here they are telling us insufficient funds because we actually don't have funds on the account. So make sure that you have funds before you can actually send. So when we go to swap, you can actually make swaps on your Metamask. So you can swap for other tokens. So supposing I have 200 pieces of ETH, which is about $1 million, and I want to swap it for Link. So that is actually how to do so. So all these things are actually very easy things to do. Supposing you have used PancakeSwap before, you should know how to do this by now. You can set your slippage, you can make it a custom slippage, or you can make it automated. Now, for 200 pieces of ETH, how many link will it give us? All these details has been shown to us here. So after everything, you can go ahead to review swap. All right, so what I'm swapping is at the very top, and what I'm swapping for is below it. Remember, you can always click that switch button to switch between the up and down, just like we saw in the last video that we did on PancakeSwap. So clicking on that particular drop down, we can select another currency. Supposing we select Uni at this time, that is Uniswap, the native token for Uniswap. You notice that it comes up. So we can also edit the amount of ETH that I want to swap for Uniswap. So you will not necessarily see the ETH that you are, the Uniswap amount that you are receiving for that particular amount of ETH until you click on what? Review swap. So once you click it, it opens up. So fetching quotes, and it takes a while before it opens. So I actually like the way they did their animations and all that. So for 200 pieces of ETH, you'll be getting 39,551 pieces of Uni. So you need 200 more ETH to complete this swap. Why did I say so? Because I virtually have nothing. In fact, I absolutely have nothing in that particular account. Okay, so new quotes. So this new quote is trying to tell you that this transaction is instant and it actually follows the market price. So new quotes, if you don't complete this transaction within that particular time frame, it will give you a whole new rate. So the rate at which it's giving you is entirely within the instance at which the market is trading at that particular time. So this is the pair that you are swapping for. So 200 ETH for uni, and I want to change the color now just to differentiate that. All right, so you have 39,000 pieces of uni will be gotten for 200 ETH. All right, so you have 1 ETH is equals to 196 uni. So you can go ahead to check the other options. None of the options should be new to you by now because we've done something like this before. The only difference is that what we have here is we are doing this on PC. Is that all right? So it's very easy to follow up. Now look at what they say. Not enough ETH to complete this transaction. 0 ETH available for swap. So they actually know that we don't have nothing. So we're actually making this video just to help some of us that are finding difficult to navigate all this interface and carry out some of these transactions to follow up. It's very easy to do. Remember, you trade crypto to make profit. You buy low and you do what? Sell high. The aim is to always be in profit. Don't be greedy. Always make sure you take out profit. So you can go ahead to import new tokens. What we have there essentially is ETH. So supposing you want to import new tokens, you can just click the name of the token and it imports. Is that okay? So look at chain link. You can click next and it gives you the balance of chain link. You can also import custom tokens. So you click on import tokens and it does that for you. So it brings it to your main wallet. So when you scroll down now, you now have link there by default. So any other coin that you try to swap, it also appears there by default. So that is that about this video. If you got value from this video, go ahead to smash that subscribe button right now. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Remember to trade responsibly. Peace out.